Ka Nongstoin Social Service Society kawai ni kisang teriman sengubha. Haka khasau tarik jelew arjal posau. Kalayo ban pelong ke jinghikai la ka awareness iki nongrep. Ya kabala tip kum ka Biodiversity Fair Complant Genetic Resource. Kabadero apo ka North East Hill Scheme. Kabala baitan ka da ka ICAR NBPGR Regional Station Shillong. Haka te ka jingalang u Dr. SK Malik, Nodal Officer NEH Scheme. Harangkat ka jingasanan lang u Dr. PK Singh, Head Division juga Germplasm Exploration. Upada James Anderson Imli Presiden ka NSSS bat kiwi. Haka te ka sngi kum ba arspa asan phongut EA ki nongrep ki bana ka Thain Eastern West Hills District. Kilawan management-tah kabagate katanal ICAR kalayo urban sami kitiar shikinorap kibagan tubi ka tarpar ka pom ban siat dawai upaip bajrong ka plaban ki jingkit ka tupia da sngi bat kiwi long bagite kitiar kibala sam shaki arspa asan phongut kinorap kalakot shaka khasau laktingka
of the nearby areas. So it is our pleasure to organize this program here. And as Harish has already told that this is the third time we are organizing this program in the collaboration of this society. There might be something we again and again coming to the society to organize such a program. As he told, they are very good in organizations and good number of farmers, and really the selection of beneficiary is also very good. So as already informed, this particular program or plant genetic resources awareness programs are being organized throughout the northeast India by our institute under the NEH scheme, which is Northeastern Hill Scheme, which has been launched by the Government of India to benefit the small and medium farmers. So all the ministries of the Government of India are having a special funds for this, and being NBPGR being the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, our major emphasis is to benefit the farmers, direct benefit to the farmers somehow, and also listen to their problems, reach to them to show them that we are with them, and whatever help is required from the scientists, from the ICAR, from the Government of India, we are always with them. So this is the actually background of this program which we are organizing here. Now coming to the plant genetic resources, its need and conservation. Already my colleagues have already said something about it, that why this plant genetic resources or biodiversity is important. This is the backbone of our society. Plants. Biodiversity covers everything in the environment, either plants, fishes, animals, microbes, everything is the biodiversity. And you people are working in the ground, in the farms, and you very well know the importance of biodiversity. Our emphasis here is only to agriculture, agri-biodiversity. Biodiversity which is related to the agriculture. And we are actually doing all these programs, all these awareness programs to protect the whatever biodiversity has been left for our future generations and sustainable utilization. When we say the sustainable utilization, we very well know that without the use of this biodiversity which has been given by nature to us, we cannot survive. But we should use the biodiversity not for the greed, but only for the need. Whatever we need, we should utilize it, but we should not harm it. Over-exploitation should not be done, which is nowadays happening. And there are several other reasons also why the biodiversity degeneration is taking place. When we were coming from the Umyan to here, lot of degeneration of natural biodiversity is taking place. I think we don't have much control in that. There are few reasons for that. You know very well the increasing population, urbanization is taking place. And for that we are removing jungles, we need a more space for settling down, for agriculture also, more space is required.